Welcome to today's episode of Tech Talk Tonight, where we dive into the fascinating world of artificial intelligence and its latest advancements. I'm your host, and tonight we're going to explore a groundbreaking innovation in the realm of formal mathematical reasoning, DeepSeek-Prover-V2. Now, let's kick things off. You might be wondering, what exactly is DeepSeek-Prover-V2? Well, it's an open-source language model developed specifically for formal theorem proving in a programming language called Lean 4. This isn't just any AI model. It's powered by a previous version known as DeepSeek V3, which helps tackle complex mathematical problems by breaking them down into smaller, more manageable subgoals. Imagine being given a massive jigsaw puzzle, and instead of trying to put it together all at once, you carefully sort out pieces by color and shape first. That's a bit like what DeepSeek-Prover-V2 does with mathematical proofs. The initial training for this model involves a unique method known as cold start training, where DeepSeek V3 looks at these complex problems and helps decompose them into steps. If you think of it as a detective story, it's like gathering clues one at a time before piecing together the whole case. Each small proof resolved feeds into a larger narrative, forming a robust chain of thought process that blends informal reasoning with formal logic. So once we have these subgoals resolved, here comes the interesting part, the next step, reinforcement learning with synthetic cold start data. Essentially, the model learns from its own mistakes, getting feedback in the form of binary correct or incorrect evaluations. This is like taking a math test. If you get something wrong, your teacher reviews the mistake with you, ensuring you don't repeat it on the next test. A fascinating bit of information is that DeepSeek-Prover-V2 has achieved state-of-the-art performance in neural theorem proving, scoring an impressive 88.9% pass ratio on the mini F2F test. It brings to light just how powerful AI is becoming in the field of mathematics, solving real problems, and even tackling challenging questions from competitive exams. Speaking of challenges, the creators of DeepSeek-Prover-V2 have also launched Prover-Bench. This is a dataset that tests the model with 325 unique problems, including questions from high school competitions like the AME and a variety of textbook problems. They've designed it to cover a range of mathematical fields, from algebra to calculus and beyond. It's almost like a gym for AI, allowing it to flex its problem-solving muscles. Here's a question for our listeners. Can you imagine AI becoming the go-to assistant for mathematics homework? Just picture it. High school students logging in and getting instant help with those tricky proofs. It's exciting to think about the educational potential here. Before we wrap up, let's take a moment to reflect on the key takeaways from our discussion today. We've learned how DeepSeek-Prover-V2 works by breaking down complex problems into manageable steps. This allows it to generate formal proofs more efficiently while incorporating both formal logic and informal reasoning. The advancements in AI not only enhance our understanding of mathematical reasoning, but also pave the way for innovative educational tools that could revolutionize how we approach learning. Thanks for tuning in to Tech Talk Tonight. I hope you've enjoyed this exploration into DeepSeek-Prover-V2. If you have thoughts on how AI might change the landscape of education, or any burning questions, feel free to reach out. Until next time, keep questioning and keep exploring.